What's up guys, it's Mike Moo here. This is a quick little unboxing of the GoPro Hero 9 Black. This is the 9th generation, of course, GoPro's best action camera yet. And as of today, September 23rd, 2020, this is probably the best action camera available on the market now. Having it been just released, you're going to pay a little bit of a premium for it right now, but if you wait around till Black Friday, I imagine there's going to be some nice discounts. If you want the best possible price, please check out my links down below. Check out to see what are the best options and prices available in your market. This, of course, is USA version, and it comes with completely different packaging from before. They've gone a little bit more economical, and a more usable case is included. So instead of the plastic case, you get this nice reusable case, which has molded frame that allows you to go ahead and just pack everything that you originally had before. I'm probably just going to keep this frame in here and put all my things underneath, keep it nice and organized. But if you want to, I've seen some other people use other Velcro little padding to go ahead and section these out. Now, as you can see, you get the GoPro Hero 9 with the dual screen, which is pretty awesome. Unfortunately, GoPro does not officially sell any screen protectors at this time. So if you're looking for one, I'd recommend you put one on as soon as possible, because these things do, in fact, scratch. Battery goes over in the side. I like the design of this battery door a little bit better than the GoPro Hero 8 version, because it seems to be a little bit more solid. So there's some redesign going on in there, and the battery fits in just fine as you expect. However, looking inside the battery compartment, it's a little bit more difficult to figure out which direction the battery should be in. So I'd recommend using some magic marker to set those directions in a little bit better. So there's protective covering on the lens and the two screens, something that you may want to hold off removing until you can get screen protectors on there when you can. And of course, you got this new mount that was introduced in GoPro Hero 8, which is really awesome because it can stow away like so. And then when you want it, just flip it out. And they include only these mounts that you see here. So you just got that one slide in quick release type of mount, along with the mounting screw, and of course the little stabilizer rubber piece there to help secure the GoPro in there. While this can fit in both directions, there's really nothing new about this. This is pretty much exactly the same one that we've seen in previous generation feet. Now, as far as some other accessories, I'm going to recommend that you definitely get the GoPro dual charger, and I did a whole different unboxing video and testing with that. And also, I recommend that you think about subscribing to GoPro Plus. As of right now, there's a GoPro Hero 9 launch special where you get a nice discount on this for subscribing to GoPro Plus for the year. As you can see, there's not a whole lot in terms of instructions. The rest of this you're probably going to want to learn by watching other videos or watching other YouTube or going online. That is not uncommon, but at least they put in a little bit of packaging and information about the GoPro in there. The USB cable that they gave is just a standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable, very similar to the previous generations of GoPros. I think going back about 4 or 5 generations, it's all been USB-C now. And you can just charge directly by plugging into that open port. Now, I can't wait for them to go ahead and release a third-party battery door so you can charge without opening up that battery door like so. I just want to show you a little bit of a comparison between the GoPro Hero 8. Here I have the media mod. The media mod is something that I did like with the GoPro Hero 8, but it does add a bit to the size. You can see the GoPro Hero 9 is already quite a bit bigger than the GoPro Hero 8, and almost comparable in size with the media mod that I have attached to GoPro Hero 8 right now. But unfortunately, a lot of these accessories are out of stock right now, and who knows when they will be in stock exactly. They've sold out really quickly, and for whatever reason, maybe it's because of Corona manufacturing difficulties, it takes a while to get them. So keep that in mind. If you were an early adopter, there's a lot of things that get sold out pretty quickly. All right, so that's it for this quick little unboxing. Please give it a like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video.